Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SE mobility van. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate. I can do the entire conversion using just 2 fingers. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling. This is a very good design. I strongly recommend this design. It's got a handle on the driver's side, a handle on the passenger side. These are spring assisted, and you can see I can take them to the ground using only my index finger. 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper to 32 inches at the base, 56 inches coming inside the van, over 58 inches of headroom inside the van. Very clean inside, 8 tie-down points so it can hold a gurney or a stretcher or up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. The seats have about 21 inches of room between them. If you need more room, let us know. We can make seats to flip up on their sides. There's seats that actually will accommodate more room, more narrow. So let us know what you need. Let us build a van to meet your needs. The dash looks great condition. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got the Bluetooth connect, voice activated on there. Dual climate control, rear air controls, cup holders galore, plug-ins. Rear air control looks great up there. Headliner looks to be in great shape as well. We do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away with each van. Look there, 1 finger. Pull that back up, very easy to do. These manual ramps and doors are very nice. Very little to go wrong. The electric ramps and doors are nice, but they are super costly to work on, and they're quite a bit more expensive up front. So, quick walk around to the van. Tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels. These tires look darn near brand new. They're matching Kumo tires. And for a 2015, the paint still shines wonderfully on this van. It's been very well taken care of. We had a family that used this. They no longer needed it. They sold it back to us. So super clean van, inside and out. Roof looks good. I saw one little smudge here. Looks like someone put a little bit of touch-up paint right there. But I'm telling you what, you really have to look at this and really try to find any dents or scratches on this van. It is very nice, very clean. Looks like a little bit of touch-up paint there on the rear. At one point, someone probably scraped it in a parking lot or something. That's bound to happen once in a while. Very clean interior. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Door jambs are clean. The VIN number's right there. We always show the VIN number in our videos. It's got a clean interior. Got a little scuff or scrape right there. It kind of looks like a pin mark, but miles are 22. 587 has got your keyless entry. Has a spare key right there as well if you want another keyless entry as a backup. We can get one of those on your dime. Air conditioner works great. Check engine lights, no check engine lights, no ABS, no airbags, none of that. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, everything looks good. It idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any water damage. I'm buying these from the same perspective you are. I don't want something that's been in a bad accident. I don't want something that's been at the bottom of a lake or in a bad flood. And as you can tell, our competition, they don't show the undercarriage a lot. The reason is a lot of these guys will buy these vans up from New York and Chicago, and they're all rusted out. And they're hiding what's really going on with the vehicle, and that's why we make these videos. That's the number one mistake people make when buying a vehicle is they assume things. They assume because the salesman was nice. They assume because it looked at a good price. They assume because the pictures look good that the van runs and drives good, that it's not all rusted out underneath. People get scammed on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video like this. And if they won't make you a detailed video, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Buyer beware. Let me get this on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive. Get them out on the highway, let you hear them run, so you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or you come in and drive this van home, you know that we've done our due diligence. My 3 mechanics have inspected this van, and we've made sure this van is roadworthy. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. I strongly recommend an extended warranty with every used vehicle purchase, and we sell those at a very affordable price. I got the van up to about 65 miles an hour, Cruise control set works great. Steering wheel is nice and straight. The van drives straight down the highway. Very smooth ride. I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Check out our ratings online and look up affordable mobility solutions on Google. See all the great things people had to say about us. And please compare us to the competition. We welcome it. Also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you got to pay for your own shipping and set up your own shipping and do all that headache and mess. Then they try to charge you a $500 or $1,000 or $1,200 administrative or document fee. And then when it comes down to it, you got $2,000, $2,500 in fees you weren't expecting to pay. They kind of slip in on the back end on you. Ours is free shipping. We don't have any hidden fees. What you see is what you get. The price you see is to get the van to your driveway. Very simple. That's the way we like to do things here. Keep them simple. Give it a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. Very clean van, very nice van, runs and drives great. And I feel if this van is taken care of, it'll make a great van for you, your family, or your business for many years to come. When I go back to comparing us to the competition, keep in mind we also make these videos. These videos, our price and our reputation are what sell these vans. We are very low pressure. We are no pressure for that matter. These vans sell themselves. But I'm the owner of the company. I'm out here making these videos. It's 95 degrees. I'm crawling on the ground under a hot running vehicle because I want you to know exactly what you're getting. You know, we go the extra mile. And again, I'm the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. A lot of these used car salesmen, they're not even going to be working at that dealership in a month or two. They're going to be on chasing that check, chasing that commission check at a bigger dealership. And you know, I'm the owner of the company. I'll be here 5 years from now. I'll be here 10 years from now. I'm invested in this company. This is my life. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, talk to the other guys. If you want to do business with the owner of a company, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If text messaging is easier for you, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You now have the owner's cell phone number to text. Try getting the owner's cell phone number from one of those big old companies you saw online. Give it a shot. Let me know how that goes. I look forward to hearing from you about that one. Check us out 24 hours a day online at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do have financing available. And as always, thank you so much for checking out affordable mobility solutions where mobility is affordable. Call me today.